Mama wakwaba wofre me adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel me a notification bell no so for more news. Madam Moira Williams honorable Canadian compre kwa Japan ni baby mama na osese kuku ni jaya keke ni so bejai wetu nani de ese honorable Hopeson na doye no so chese nsema odi na yense mu na odi no nti onjai na nsen bomba Hopeson na doye eti radio so TV so etoto mane NPP fo na ni yenyan na nsem ne bia honorable Hopeson na doye kan na betimi kura de na ko prison na so oni media ene na madam ya kaka na adwen de ache na o kire se ye owura land cash a Hopeson na doye di na chi no sebio bibia yo okay onto Hopeson na doye fo na o ma na wato nsu kura yenti nsem a o de etidwa
happened in Togo. I think a guy said, "You know, more to
How do you go to somebody's country? You, national security in your country, go to somebody's country to do the job in that country so that you will have a fair election in your country. Mentasi. There is a problem in your country about your elections. So you have gone to somebody's country to repair the problem there in that country. And then blast a dynamite in that country. And then pick people from that country to go to the town to tell the people in the town not to come near their own border because of the next country. Hopeson, yeah. Mobile you in the mobile kikimana one show. Onu no be me. Yow. Hey. Inti Papa your friend and Alan Chamanti, where Jimmy sa? Alan Kojo Chamanti, where Jimmy sa? Besin de woo nyansa ayeda Frankenstein. Ihu nyansa issue anything on the stupidity of Hopeless Adoye. The same thing you didn't exhibit any maturity or some sort of dislike when kwasiye okajina wu edru so work no kaka kwasiya sam fa dombo fo hono me hu se alantramantia beka nyansesem biara da say Hopeson wan kasa ye or on behalf of Hopeson I apologize we you join alantramantia kronfo we you join me so kronfo amin to sebio ina na otonton Ghana high commission adan wo America no kwasiya penny tina ho ndahwe Hopeson adoye manzi kwasiasam otumukura kan ho se plans no mo de toto sa dynamite no on tre host no because they are going to use that strategy for afafanto we are boa. You don't think say yate. You don't think say atoyetrim. You don't think say now we all know say for Hopeson to be in charge of your party it means ni amode kwa no. How to illegally disenfranchise people from voting according to Hopeson. He took matters into his own hands. He took matters into his own hands. Osi obians man no kofa dynamite. But say no Hopeson say after their dynamite no kotu Togo. Wow. Also whatever happened in Togo. It didn't happen in Volta region Biomo. It happened in Togo.
Togo pada bontu na enu je ko ye edumano e wo Togo right e be sure say ye ne parliament sisi ni na akata
yeah
e be ya omo go for anyday emma whatever happened in Togo. I think a guy said, "You know, more than motu. I could call run catch them for cities. And to the end of the one, what's now a year and Gadashi?
Yeah. Oh, Bra Steve Mate. And then now, dear no, Hammy Mate, Miss me, I am a barber show with the end. Why? Minche baby, you am a barber show with the end. Ba me bebo ba kono me da se brasti. Na me wi ana ya kasa me da se.
Everything for fact. I think in 2016, votes in voter region everything so drastically.
O si ono ne dynamite na ono afato ne ho so obekwa akoto wo Togo no. Eno na reduce NDC for votes drastically. Emma MPP winning of Volta region 2016. And Timmy Pacho, even if all that he's saying rather is the truth, you think we should enable people? Mmboa mo abaso so mu tumi fa omo to omo hoso. Na omo koto dynamite with no permission. No mu choose area bi omo pe. Obi betumi akọ eyi Côte d'Ivoire because I know so a neighboring border. Now I got 2 dynamite to disenfranchise it. You think we should allow it, right? Okay. Inti na kosie amoku aye osi onimu nyansa nyinai. Otifo onu so aye right eno ano no abuafo. Yanko
Then they should come for me. That is number 1. Number 2, we said,
thank you for sharing. Ye push you, Hopeson, assembly will be a beca cause penny ye push you ma. What beca assembly and Sasaka when Yans assembly and Bium now, who Diana Walker. And Trona washishe, a debium Fabra. Escape him. Me da say. Fabra, Hopeson. Sure.
Yeah.
Who bet them? Sir Victor Salome.
2015. I was giving money to go.
One Kasa was say you took it upon yourself. You didn't tell anybody. So how can they give you money to go to a place that you didn't tell anybody you were going? One Kasa was see. Mia na me fatu me honso. Me komanka nchobia. Mia na me koye ni na. Sesi aso was say. Wo afi okoye otogo na wo ko baby anso ya ma usika nti mama Becca for text messages can home. Audio say can home say. Yes, see Jessica way. Na koto dynamite na koto. Abua.
No.